Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Turbo Tuesdays. I think Tuesday is gonna be the Turbo Tuesday. Turbo Tuesday. Where's Don at? Don Crystal, where'd you go? Yesterday, Don Crystal just holding long all day. You guys saw that end of day move? Oh my baby Jesus. Oh my, why? Literally 350 here, going up 100 points end of day. You gotta love it. 100-point end of day move. The biggest move of the day happened right at the 350 algorithm. You gotta love it. You could have sit around and waited and waited and waited and then finally got done. Finally walked away at 345. It did at 350. Bang, baby. Bang, baby. Oh, lordy, lordy. Either way, though, I do want to show this. I thought this was pretty cool. If you look at the QQQ, right? So that move yesterday, if you look here at the chart, we had resistance back there on, what was that? Back in the beginning of August, we had a resistance, right? But if you look back here in July 24th, guess what we had? If you look on the regular trading hours, that big gap up, right? That gap down. We had a big gap in the chart there, and guess what we did? Well, we filled that gap. So big gap on the chart, momentum end of day, squeezing up there, finished in the gap. And we'll see what happens here today. Like we talked about on Twitter, those weekly candles, that high, they're 484. We're not far from it. These last two weekly candles, boom, 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 pushing back up here. What a move. Hey, Tino, let's go. Buy him the course, $199, make you holla. So, we'll see what happens here today. I think there's a good chance that we kind of pull back here a little bit. 19,800 would be a good spot to pull back into. So, we'll see if we get it. We'll see if we get it here. No major news today. We don't really have much news going on the entire week. So, gotta be patient. We'll see what happens. Right now, moving down here below the London low so far, 840 area. Right now, obviously very much below the VWAP here. So, market pulling back right now. That the middle of this 15-minute candle right there puts us at 19,800. To the upside, we got 19,978 pivot point. To the downside, 19,750 pivot point. So, we'll see what happens. Like always, just being patient. Waiting for the right opportunities. That's right. The right opportunities. That hourly chart definitely looking like she wants that 19,800 area. Joni Bosco, good evening from India. Let's go. India, we're live. 6,000 Indian rupees. How much money is that? Bam, bam, bam. On the book map, we got 40 contracts. 40 contracts sitting down there. $19,800 down there. Good evening from Pakistan. Dude, we're live around the world. It's wild. Berlin, India, Pakistan, South Africa. Worldwide. Belgium, UK, Spain, Singapore, Oman, Kansas, Netherlands, France, Namibia, United Kingdom, man, we're live. Baghdad, hello from Baghdad. Zimbabwe. It's pretty wild. Got some Miami, got some Boston, got some Malaysia, Indonesia, Azerbaijan. How do you say that? Azerbaijan. Mississippi, Frankfurt, Germany. What is this on the screen right now? Right now on the screen, we're looking at the book map. This is the liquidity on the Nasdaq. You can see 40 contracts right now sitting down there at the 19,800. Will the market move on down? Take out that 19,800 liquidity. We got 200 contracts all the way down there, 728. 728 all the way down there. $151 contracts. Nothing really to the upside. Most of the liquidity to the downside right now. See what happens, baby. Nice thing about starting out here, 9 o'clock, you kind of get an idea of what we're looking at, what we're focused on right now. Just sitting back here, kind of seeing if we play this, get this move to play out down there to the 19,800s. We got the overnight high up there, 19,930s right now, right? So 19,930, the overnight high. And overall, the market, I'd say overall looking pretty bullish here. The last, kind of like the last week, I guess, here. This hourly chart, very much kind of trending higher here. Trending higher here on the hourly chart. That pullback to that trend line kind of puts us back down there into that 19,730 area. Patience, patience, patience. That's right. That's right. I like the patience. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. Blow it up. It's free to like. Free to like. If you're sitting here right now and you're trying to figure out what to do, probably means there's not much to do. So nothing wrong with just sitting back, waiting and watching. Market open coming up here. We got no major news today, so I'm not like super excited, I guess, but we'll see what happens. Yesterday, the market really just choppy morning, and then we finally got that breakout, so end of day, big market move. We'll see what happens here at open. We're going to see what happens at open. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, we got 244 likes. It's free to like, free to support the stream. I don't ask for much. Just your love. Scott Price, love the course. Any idea when those shorts will go out? I got to get them shipped. I'll try to do that today, Scott. I'm gonna make you a promise. I'll do it today. I'm gonna try to get it done today. Patrick, you said don't do anything, but you do plenty of things. Inception, bro. Patrick, you say don't do anything, but you do plenty of things. What time is the webinar tomorrow? Tomorrow, the webinar, 9 a.m. We will not be live tomorrow, for free at least. We'll be live on YouTube for course members only. We'll send out an email tonight. Make sure you check your email, check your spam, check your junk. Look for an email from the Only Prop Firms setup. So, Tommy Tompkins, for the people that bought the course, is there a place to ask questions? Yes, tomorrow, 3 hours. 3 hours, baby. You got me tomorrow asking questions. So, yeah, today I'm having an interview with Austin Silver. What should we talk about? Can we get one free trade today? Yeah, I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna work on it. What platform will the webinar be on? The webinar will be right here on YouTube, private for members only of the course. The interview today is at 2:30. They're doing like a podcast. I'm not a big fan of podcasts, but you know, nothing wrong with a little extra exposure. Sell this course, baby. I gotta sell me 250,000 courses for 200 bucks, make me 50 million, and then I'm retiring. I'm moving on. Just gonna go live on my $1 million yacht. I think with 50 million, I could retire. If I had $50 million, I might spend like 25 million pretty quickly, but I think the last and final 25 million, I can make it work. You know, I can make it last. I can make it last. This bozo is trying to buy something super expensive, so now he has a course. You got me. I'm broke. I got no money. Buy my course, please. I need to buy more Lambos. I got one Lambo, one McLaren. I really want more Lambos, though. More Lambos. I want more Lambos, please. Yeah. Patrick, when are you gonna release the book? Working on it. Finish up the manuscript right now. I mean, hey, it's $200, guys. So like, I'm not saying that you have to buy the course, but you know, if you're having problems, you're blowing up prop firms, and you have all these problems, you know, it's like, how much money are you gonna spend blowing up accounts before you like finally figure something out? So, let's call me right now. Yo, what's up? Okay. Yeah. 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 Gray, please. I guess black. Yeah. 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 Preferably probably the gray one. Yeah. Not like solid, yeah. Yeah. What, okay. There's no way to attach it to where those other little things are on top of the T-top? Yeah. 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 Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Sounds good. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. All right. Sounds good. Yeah. Yeah, I'll check them out. All right. Sounds good. You ready for your surgery? All right. Good luck. All right. Talk to you later. Peace. Talking about the boat, we got some new stuff going on with the boat. I'm leaving for Hawaii on Saturday for like 2 months. I'm going to Hawaii for 2 months, and they're bringing the boat. Got the boat doing a bunch of work on it while I'm gonna be gone, so getting everything all lined up. The forged carbon on the Lambo is it's a wrap. Yeah, I know. It's just it's a Lambo STO, so no, the roof is not forged carbon. All right, right now the Nasdaq sitting down here at the lows. We got that 19,800 area, and then after that you got 19,751. So. Did you win the lottery at some point? No, I did not, unfortunately. I'll be trading live in Hawaii as well. I'm gonna be there on Saturday, and then I'll be trading live as well, waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning. So we'll be doing it. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. On Oahu. We'll be on the north shore of Oahu. I rented a house right on the beach in front of Pipeline. It's going to be absolutely beautiful, right? Literally, the house is right on the beach. 4 bedrooms, big old house. Got some friends flying in and out, and just having fun. Do I surf? Yes. Big wave surfer, baby. Super big. All right now the Nasdaq just dipping on down here. That 19,800 area on the book map, still very much there. We had a big move up end of day yesterday, kind of retracing a little bit here. And we'll see what happens. Where would I look to get long at? Really just kind of need that structure to show us that there's an opportunity to get long, so. Hawaii is the worst time change of all time zones. Well, you think about it, I like the fact that you wake up at 3 o'clock, you trade, you're done at 6 a.m., and then you've got the whole day to do whatever you want to do. I mean, I go to bed early anyway, so in Florida, I wake up at 6 a.m., so Hawaii will just be, I'll be waking up a little earlier, 3 hours earlier, and then I'll have the rest of the day to go surfing, work out, and just do whatever I want to do the rest of the day. So I think the time zone's pretty good for trading. Honolulu here, not much fun waking up at 3 a.m. every day. I've done it. I lived on the North Shore of Oahu for 2 years, so. It's a 6-hour time difference, correct. When you go to bed, normally like 9 or 10. Daz Fox, what are you talking about? Any idea how to see the correct contract to trade? Yeah, we're trading the Nasdaq. I don't know if you Tradeovate always has the forward month. Austin Lee, okay, so you'll be at your computer 3 hours after open. No, I'll be on the computer at 9 a.m. Eastern, 3 a.m. Hawaii time. Jack Miller loves the course. Let's go. We got 7 minutes till market opens. Like always, just being patient, waiting for the right opportunities here. We had a big move up end of day yesterday, and no major news. No major news right now, so we gotta just kind of be patient. See how she plays out here.
Girls have to be fresh, new, beautiful.
How much money do you have in your private account? Right now, $42,000. $42,000. How much in my bank account? About $400,000. Five minutes till market opens. Sitting back, being patient. Waiting, watching, waiting. How much money in asset? A little over $1 million in assets. You would have $1 million without those Lambos, maybe. Or maybe I would have less. I make money with these cars. I don't know why people don't understand that. These are tax write-offs, and I make money with these cars. They make me money. So, all the haters always talking shit about the Lambos, but I don't know why you don't understand that. There's a reason I live trade in my garage. There's a reason that I live trade in the garage, so. Just curious, how do they make you money? Oh, God. Do you not understand what my business is? Do you not understand what my business is? I make money off of views. Lambos get views. Views equal money. Patrick Wieland gets more money. I could basically buy a new Lambo every month. What am I looking for at open? I'm looking for a setup. Market's doing exactly what we kind of were looking for it to do, pulling back here into the middle of this 15-minute candle from the close yesterday. If we can start to turn this area into support, get that little push up, not a bad idea. We'll see how she plays. It's time to partay. Patrick, what is your take profit and stop loss? I don't have a take profit or a stop loss yet. I'm not in a trade. I'm waiting for a market to open. I don't know why people are so confused about this right now. Patience, you little freaks. We got no major news today. Could be another choppy morning. We'll see. Patience, patience, patience. Waiting, waiting, waiting. There we go. Market is open. Market is open for business. That 19,800 liquidity still sitting down there. Got a buyer, a seller just popped up at 850, 50 contracts at the 850s now, so. $850 liquidity sitting up there. Will she get tapped? Looks like it. Still pushing. Right up there to the 850s now. Would you look at that? 850 liquidity on the book map. Acting as a magnet. Pushing it up there for now. We got the VWAP up there, the 68s. If we can get above that VWAP, turn it into support, try to get that overnight high up at the 930s, and then after that 978 pivot point, and then 20,000 right up there. So if the bulls can make this move, go, 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 we'll see what happens. Right now, just waiting. Nasdaq wants that 50 break here. Watch it. Watch that 50 break. Watch that 50 break. 850 liquidity getting tapped once again. 64 contracts sitting there. After that, you got the VWAP to the upside, 69s. So just a straight up move so far. VWAP up there, 67s. There's 72 contracts just sitting there right now at the 50s. Market stuck right below this 50 level. After that, I think the VWAP comes in there pretty quickly. There it goes, taking out that 50 level. All that liquidity is gone now. Should try to get that, try to get there into the 60s next. Get that push up there to the VWAP maybe. The Dow's selling off, the Nasdaq right at the VWAP. I mean the ES right at the VWAP now. Right up there to the VWAP now. Oh, 60s. From the 50 to the 60s now. Still going. Who would have thought? Just a straight up move here so far. Like we talked about earlier. Pulling back into the middle of that 15-minute candle. Pulled right back into the middle of that 15-minute candle from the close yesterday. And now pushing straight back up here. The Dow still pulling back. The ES, Nasdaq straight up here so far. Straight up. Look at this thing, still going right to the VWAP there. Right to the VWAP there, people. Get above the VWAP here, turn that VWAP into support. Then we can see if we get a move up to the highs there next. Got to get above that VWAP there. Market up there to the 60s. All right, to the VWAP now. We're gonna put in a higher low here on this pullback. We'll find out. I am not in a trade. Will you guys relax in the chat? Oh my god. Like, I'm not gonna respond to people asking if I'm in a trade, because like, you just relax. You know, just relax. God. Next person that asks if I'm in a trade, instant ban, baby. Nasdaq looking like she wants to go right through the VWAP here. This is a bad spot to get long at right now. If you get long here and this market starts to dump back down, then you're screwed. So we got to get above that VWAP. Got wick. Should try to take out these wicks, go up. Now it's like sitting right there at the VWAP now. Got a bunch of liquidity down there at the 830s. 100 contracts sitting at the 830s. Still trying to hold on here, bull flagging right below the VWAP, but tough spot. The Dow trying to push back up here. The ES squeezing up through the VWAP now, so I think the Nasdaq will try to go. Let's see. The Dow's ripping straight up right now. The ES is going straight up. Little bull flag setting up here. If you go to the 1 minute chart, setting up. If we get back through this 60 area, right through the VWAP, VWAP there, 65s. Right through the VWAP now. Like I said, the ES taking us straight up here. Oh, buddy. Still holding up there at the 60s. Got that overnight high all the way up there at the 930s, by the way. 930 overnight high up there. Still 100 contracts sitting down there at the 830s. Somebody's trying to get filled down there. How can I see 100 contracts on the book map? 830 down there. 100 contracts sitting there right now. So Nasdaq bull flagging right here at the VWAP now. Dollar pulling back. The ES is straight up. The Dow's going straight up. Big seller sitting right there at the 70s now. If we get through 70, I think we'll go right up there to the 80s next. 100 contracts traded there at the 70s. A little bit of trap. Had a big order kind of sitting right there, but let's see, 70s needs to hold. Woodshed Williams is short. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Woodshed Williams. Up there towards the 80s now. Will she push all the way through? Sellers again stepping in here. Just chopping around here. Will she go? What is happening? Getting very tight here. Very tight right at the VWAP now, boys. There we go, through the 80s now. Got a bunch of resistance there, 890s and then 900s, but we are trekking. Got the 15-minute range playing out here as well. This is all in the course. If you're wondering, Patrick, what, how? Well, there's your 15-minute range breakout now up there to the 890s. Aussie's done for the day. Green, green, green. Let's go. That little breakout right here through the VWAP from the 60s now up there to the 90s. Little 30-point mover. The woodshed is clearly taking it to the woodshed right now. Uh-oh. Look at everybody done with trading already. They've only been, the market's only been open for 20 minutes. Y'all are already done. Y'all funny. Y'all funny. Got a bunch of liquidity up there, 19,900s. Liz Gardens was short at open. Come on, Liz. Come on, Liz Gardens. Don't be crazy like that. There, again, just to recap why that was not a good spot to be short at. We're right into the middle of that big boner candle from yesterday. That big pop up there yesterday, very bullish close there, end of day. So, you know, just because you think the market's going to continue heading down, you got to think about the bigger picture here, my friends. Bigger picture. Remember, that overnight move doesn't really mean shit. At the end of the day, we're waiting for the bigger picture where the actual market is looking for a move, you know? So Matt, 89.89. He was down $4,000. Now he's up 400 bucks. Matt, it might be time to turn the computer off. Just go ahead and turn your computer off right now and walk away. Being down 4,000, coming back to being up 400, good time to walk away. Don't keep trading it. The funny part is, like, guys, we literally talked about this before the market opened, pulling back into that 19,800 area, right? We're right back into the middle of this 15-minute candle. And look what happened. Is it a coincidence that we're pushing up? No. It ain't a coincidence. This ain't just pure luck. I didn't get lucky, right? I didn't get lucky. This ain't no luck here, my friends. And there you go, your 15-minute opening range breakout now up from the 80s, 78s, up there to the 900s now. So this is textbook trading right here. Textbook Patrick Wieland concepts. She's still going higher, obviously. Still going now. Oh, Lord. We got that overnight high up there, 930s. Nasdaq just continuing to squeeze. Anybody still long from that 15-minute range breakout? Who's still long? Love it. Love it. Oh, my. It's still going. I took profit so that it would, you know, so that it would keep going higher for everybody in the chat. I did that for you guys. Marcus said, hold my beer, boys. Big buyer stepping up there right now at the 910s. 126 contracts sitting there right now. Got filled. He got filled. Big buyer back at the 910s again. Just sold that into him. Huh. Somebody's playing games. We're above this 19,900 level. The overnight high up there, 930, being kind of area to look for. Some trouble at the 910s for now. The ES up to the overnight high now. ES is at the overnight high. Nasdaq right below the overnight high, or 20 points or so below the overnight high right now. 25s on the book map, 30s on the book map there. No runners left. $930s coming up there. No news coming out today. Got that overnight high, 930 area to get through. That's the overnight high right there from earlier. After that, there's a pivot point all the way up there at the 975s. Oh, lordy. The bulls are bulling out here, boys. I feel like ideally we break through that overnight high and then we get that kind of trap move back down, so. The trading tribe got in at 850 and still holding. Let's go. Get that 100-point mover, baby. Pat, wouldn't this technically be longing at the top? Well, the fact that we think and we know that that 930 area is key level with the overnight high, it's kind of like pretty good thesis to think that this is going to break through that high. Good thesis. We'll see if it plays out. The ES already broke through the overnight high. It's also another reason I think the Nasdaq will end up doing it, so. Classic little pullback right here, normal. See if we can build a flag below this overnight high now. Right back to the VWAP, maybe. This is kind of that trap that I was talking about for the break above the high and then kind of that pullback here. So we'll see if the bulls get this back above the 900s. Trying to get back above the 900s here. Bouncing off the 15-minute opening range. That 15-minute candle right now being support. Got to get it back above that 900s. If you can't get back above that 900s, the bulls are in trouble here. Not looking too good here for more of a pullback. Being the bulls to step in. We can get back above that 900 level. I think we take out the highs, so we'll see what happens here. Definitely starting to kind of roll over here. We'll see if this is going to try to pop out of that. Those bears are going to get aggressive here if they keep it below the 900s. Still looking rolly here, below 900. Just stuck right there below the 900s for now. We got that overnight high at the 930s. Trying to get through 900s here. A lot of trouble there. I don't like this staying right here. It needs to do something quick. Looking like trouble. Trouble at the 900s there. Testing the range once again. There's the pullback. Back to the VWAP now. $830 liquidity on the book map. Five-minute chart, the dump. See if we start to bounce down here. Let's see what happens. A bouncy bounce. Big buyer stepped into the 45s. Liquidity at the 45s here, trying to hold it up. Still looking like trouble here. Got the VWAP up there, 71s. Got that opening low there, 14s. Can't tell if it's gonna bounce here or if we're gonna keep selling through. We got that pivot point down there, 750s. Still dumping. Holding the low once again. We take out that low, that pivot point down there, 750 area. chopping around here at the lows right now. We need a little bit of a bear flag set up here. Holding on for dear life down here at the lows right now. Holding on for dear life at the lows currently. And there's that chop right back up now. Back above 40s. Oh, Lord. Getting a little bit of a bear flag here to set up. The bears want to keep it below the VWAP here, below this 50 area. Bears trying to get this break to the downside. Need to lose this 25, go right through the 20s there. Looking to see if we get this break to the downside nicely here. Can we get momentum to the downside one more time? A bunch of liquidity just popped up the 15s. That current low right there at the 10 area, 810s. Should get this, try to get this 20 break here, baby. Let's see. Get all the way through the 800s, maybe? And just chop around. I gotta go pee. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Patrick, do you use hourly pivots? No. Using the 15-minute to quite the reversal back down here. I don't see how we don't break through this 800 level now. $19,800 wanting to go. Wanting to go. Aren't all time frame pivots the same? No, they're not. If you go to the hourly chart, pivots are different. Pivot point on the hourly chart is 20,020. The pivot point in the lower pivot point is 19,268. So basically everything everything under 15 minutes is the same. 15 minutes until 1 minute, it's all the same. The Dow is ripping back up right now. The Nasdaq's holding here at the lows. Oh Lord. What are we gonna do? I don't know. I don't love it. I took this short there from earlier from the 830s down. What was the last? Yeah, only 10 points, 20s, 820s. Didn't get that good of a fill. Or 817. There's a bunch of liquidity down there. 19,800's down there, so I just feel like we got to get that break through the 800s. The ES is making new lows. Nasdaq's trying to make a new low here. Battle here. 820s. $19,800 wants to break so badly here. It wants to break so badly. All that liquidity down there, man. What is it doing? The Dow's ripping straight back up right now. The dollar's making new lows. If the bulls can hold right here, it might be a massive squeeze back up. I don't know. $19,800 sitting down there, 63 contracts. After that, we've got all this liquidity down there, 19,730 area to the downside there, 200 contracts. We should get a better move here at like 1050. See what happens at 1050 to 11 o'clock. Matt 898. When I talk about the dollar, I'm talking about if the dollar is looking bullish, then that creates weakness in the overall market. If the dollar is looking bearish, then that creates momentum in the overall market. So bullish when the dollar goes down, bearish when the dollar goes up. Trying to stay alive here. Tomorrow. We got a webinar going on tomorrow for 3 hours answering all the questions you've ever had about trading, the course, and all that fun stuff. Just buy the course today, get access to the webinar tomorrow. The webinar will be uploaded free to all the course members later on. But I want to answer questions. A lot of people have questions. I want to do it for you guys that bought the course. And right now, looking at the Nasdaq here, what's gonna happen? The dollar's straight down right now. Scary. If we break through 19,800, you know there's... You forgot to delete... What? Delete what? Oh yeah, that's not my fault. That's the marketing team's fault. There's that breakthrough, the 19,800s. Look at this dumper. Finally getting that move down here. Where do you buy the course? I'm confused. Does nobody understand where to buy the course? Link in the chat there. All right. There are 200 contracts sitting at 725 to the downside there on the book map right now. That bear flag from earlier playing out. Little flag back up here. The break below the 30s, now down there to the 90s. You gotta love it. You just gotta love it, man. You gotta think about it sometimes. You're like, man, that's awesome. It's very awesome. Very awesome. Really interested to see what happens here at 1050. We'll see. Yesterday we had a big move at 1050. Market continuing lower here through the 800s, down there to the 80s now. That pivot point to the downside down there at the 19,751 pivot point. Look at all that liquidity down there as well. At the 25s or so. Nasdaq breaking the 15-minute range here to the downside. Pat, are you going to be at your previous house in Hawaii? No, I'm upgraded. I've upgraded to a bigger house. 4-bedroom house on the beach, baby. We're upgrading. In the course, you go over software you use and the pivot points. Oh yeah, we talk all about the pivot points and all of that fun stuff. Yes, sir. Like we said, through the 19,800s, looking for that 40, 50 point move to the downside, and look at it now, down there to the 60s. Oh, Lord. How close am I with Jamie O'Brien? We've talked a few times. I mean, I don't know. He works out at the same gym I work out at. Does that count? We're gonna be neighbors, actually. We're gonna be like 3 houses down, or maybe 4 houses. Like my house is gonna be right here, then Jamie O'Brien's house is gonna be like 4 houses down there in front of Pipeline. We'll be best friends. I am not moving back to the islands. I'm gonna go spend 2 months in Hawaii. My boat's getting a bunch of work done to it, so the boat's gonna get work done to it, and then it's gonna be out of the water for like 5 weeks. So it's a good time to take a vacation. Good time to take a vacation here. All right, we're pulling back into that hourly trend. We're pulling back into that pivot point there. This is that hourly trend, right? Hourly trend. Yesterday we bounced around at like that 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, we bounced off that hourly trend line. Will it be the same today? Which island? I'll be on the North Shore of Oahu. I think if the hourly candle gets back above that 19,800 area, it might be very kind of bullish set back up here. That's that 15-minute opening range as well. So we broke the 15-minute opening range there for about 50 points to the downside. We broke the 15-minute opening range right there as well for 50 points to the upside. It's kind of funny, actually, when you think about it. It's kind of funny. It's kind of funny, you know? 50 points to the upside, 50 points to the downside. So on the day right now, we are up $11,164 right now. Live account, $11,164 and still trying to move down here. That 750 area wants to get taken out. All that liquidity on the book map right now. I will be streaming tomorrow, but it will not be live. It'll only be for the people of the course. Anthony, you only show your green days. Hey, like I've said before, if you don't like me, that's fine. I don't make money trading. I'm a scam. I'm a fraud. Congratulations. Here we are. You know? Here we are. If you buy the course today, you'll get an email later on with the access to the webinar for tomorrow. Below the pivot point, still moving down. That 730 liquidity just wants to get taken down there. Professional question evader. Because it doesn't matter what I say or what I do, you know? It doesn't matter. It literally don't matter what I say, what I show, what I do. It don't matter. Because no matter what, they're gonna still be sitting here talking shit, blah, blah, you know? Like, so what's the point? What's the point in even talking about it? Nasdaq right there at that pivot point now. Going into this 1050 macro. The ICT macro 1050. Patrick, are you ever going to talk about your YouTube business? I talk about it a lot, I think so. Basically, people watch me on YouTube and I make money. tomorrow is a special webinar event. We're going to be live the rest of the week, but tomorrow we're giving back to the people that supported me and giving them 3 hours to, you know, just kind of talk about whatever they want to talk about. Ask questions, try to help people out. So... TBM showed that he made $5,500 last month on YouTube. That's about right. That's about right. You're correct. Daniel, if you bought the MFT course, you should get an email with the new course. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out, blow up the like button. All right, right now the pivot point turning into support here, baby. Pivot point back into support. Let's see what happens here, baby. The short setup that I took here, getting short into this push back up into the 30s, covering in there, getting some there, shorted again there, took some there, should have stayed a little bit more short, took that move all the way down, not gonna lie, but a little bit of green every day keeps the doctor away. All right, going into this 1050 macro. There is no Discord. There's only a webinar. No Discord, no chat room, no signals. All right, 19,800 right back up here now. I think this is the bottom if we get through this 800 area. What are you thinking? Down to the pivot, pulling back there. Now the bulls can play. Looks like a breakout potential above this 800 area again. Got the VWAP all the way up there at the 851s. Getting stuck there, that trend line for now. 1050. Bulls are trying to break it out here. It's got to get through that 800 level strong. Dollar is trying to make a new low. The ES, the Nasdaq, all finding some support down here for now. It's trying to break out, trying to get above the 800 level, back up here into that 20 maybe, 20 area. I can't breathe today. My bias right now is it looks like it wants to go up, but we got to get through all this. That VWAP up there. We're breaking out of this downward trend right now. 5-minute chart, nice little engulfing bullish candle right back up into this area. That 796. So you're thinking, yeah, if we start to push up here, VWAPs come pretty quickly. We bounced, hey, look at it. Think about it like this. We bounced off that 740 area. We bounced right off that trend line, that hourly trend line here. We drew this hourly trend line before the market opened. So you can clearly see we're finding some support down there for now. Almost 11 o'clock here. Still have not taken out that overnight high yet. Overnight high has not been taken out yet. Not yet. See what happens after 11 now. Could you be bear flagging? Maybe. I just think the fact that we bounced off that hourly trend, we bounced off that pivot point. It's hard to say. Cars and crypto, how do you access the webinar? Don't worry. You will get an email with the link for the webinar tomorrow morning. Check your spam, check your junk, check every possible place the webinar could possibly go. Oh, trouble again there. Also respecting the 15-minute range right there for now. The ES, the Nasdaq, everything looking weak. We're at that key level here. I think at 11 o'clock, see what happens here. See if they're going to put in a higher low. So they're trying to put in this higher low right there for now. BDLA. BDLA. Chapter 7 of the course. Letting those runners run, baby. Which way is it gonna go? Which way? Market's still holding on here. A bunch of buyers coming in right now. A bunch of buyers trying to step in here. It's 11 o'clock now. Holding up there at the 75 area. If they get this back above 800s, start squeezing it. Again, stuck there. 800 is a key level for the bulls right now. 19,800 to get back above. Below that, the bears are stuck. Big move coming. Let's see which way it goes. Getting real tight right here. Little wedge. Market holding on here, trying to break out to the upside. Just stuck there for now, getting very tight though. 19,800 is up there. Coin toss right now, absolute coin toss. Which way this wants to go. I do feel like it wants to push up, but just not really making a move here. Market just can't decide. If we lose that support there at the 75s, I think we then move down. But right now, just kind of holding up here. This 5-minute candle. Trying to hold it up here for now. These 5-minute candles very tight here. And the Nasdaq going to nowhere. 11 o'clock. She's done. VWAP right now up there. The 846 is. The Dow's breaking back above the VWAP. The ES is trying to push back up, but just no commitment right here. We've gone sideways for the last 15, 20 minutes. Again, stuck there. We lose that 70 area. See if we sell straight down here again. Nope. Market's just stuck here in this range right now. No commitment either way. All right. I think it's time to go to lunch. Time to go to lunch here. Nothing's gonna happen, I guess. Now I'm gonna trick the market into thinking I'm going to lunch, and then it's gonna move. Just trying to be patient, see what happens with this setup here. But right now, just going absolutely sideways, consolidating down here at the lows. I do have to go pee. Maybe I go pee and I'll see what happens in the market. Oh, did it move? Went P too quick. This is wild. I mean, it looks like it wants to break out. But no confirmation yet. The high of that last candle, 95, 95. Get through the 95, see if you rip up here through the 800s next. There she goes. Breaking out. Just breaking out, boys. You got that 810 level to get through next. All right, we're finally breaking back out to the upside here. We've got this 810 level, and then we got the VWAP up there to get through. We still have not taken out the overnight high. Is this the low of the day? Do we start ripping back up here now? $1 million question. Again, battling that 19,800 area. We got to get above this 810 level for the bulls to take it. And again, just trouble there. Market's going nowhere quick. Market's going nowhere quick right now. It's hard to be trading momentum when there's no momentum. So right now the Nasdaq is chopping around down here. Can't get above the 800 level. Can't stay above the 800 level at least. Gotta stay above that 800 level. Rachel, you missing me? Love to hear it. He's trying to push. $810 to get through there from earlier. That's at 15-minute opening range as well. All right, here we go. Testing that 10 level. We're looking through it. Dee-dee! Pivot point to the upside there. Again, that 10 area just can't get through it. A lot of sellers stacking up there on the book map at that 815 area. The battle is real. The battle is real. Just trying to stay patient here. If we get through that 810 level, start to make a bull flag, and then get that push up towards the VWAP maybe. There we go. Now we're ripping. This is what we wanted to see earlier. That's what we wanted to see earlier there. Now let's see if we can get a little bull flag here. Kind of set up. Unless we go right to the VWAP. Nasdaq pulling on back here, 800s again. Need this 800 area to act as support, obviously. This market right now is something else. It's something else, I'm telling you. I'm very interested to see where this closes at end of day. Very interested to see what happens end of day here. I feel like this type of price action, it just like this consolidating sitting here thing is gonna lead to a big move at some point. It's just getting out of here. Back up there to the 820s again. Big buyer trying to step in there. 820s. I mean, I think VWAP's gonna get played here. VWAP 44 area. I think she wants to get it played. She wants to get it played, they said. I don't like the fact that the Dow is at the lows right now, which is not good, but Nasdaq still showing strength here. Back above that 800 level, 19,800s. I think it might be time to go to lunch either way. I gotta do the podcast at 2:30 later, so we'll see what happens. There's a bunch of liquidity up at the 30s, by the way, if you care. I'm doing an interview, I guess a podcast with Austin Silver, I think is his name. Austin Silver, Austin FX, something like that. And the chop continues. The Dow just like really dumping right now. Dow's going straight down. Nasdaq's holding on here. But if they can't hold that 800 level, you know it's not good for the bulls. Ugh. I guess you could look at it like this big old bear flag kind of set up here, pushing back up into that resistance there. If we lose this 800 support, I think we sell straight down, so let's see what happens. 800 now. The ES, the Nasdaq, all just kind of sitting here. Should try to dump this on down. Big seller at the 95s. Big seller at 95s here. Took that short there through the 800s, taking some profit off there at the 87 fill. But I think it's time to walk away, so. We're up 12,000 on the day right now. Do I want to give back anymore? Do I want to keep trading? I don't know. Almost 11:30 now. It's past my bedtime, past my trading hour bedtime here. So I don't do. Better to walk away. I agree. I do think this wants to move down here, though. After breaking that flag, that setup here, back through the 800s. Couldn't stay above the 800s. The Dow still selling down. Right now, if you want to learn more about the 2-hour trading course, don't be afraid. Blow it up, baby. Blow it up. And like I said, tomorrow we'll be doing a webinar, free webinar for people who buy the course. But you're only going to get access to the webinar. So I will not be live to the public tomorrow. I will only be live to the people who support the stream and are making money with me. So and right back up there chopping around. So I think it's a good time to walk away. Big thank you guys for tuning in. It's been fun. So 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. So tune in. Look at this. Chopped right back up. So good thing I got out when I did. What a joke. What a joke. I'll leave the book map open for the next hour or so if you guys want to hang out and check out the book map here. Be doing it. Be doing it. So I'll leave that open for a little bit. For just a little bit. You know, just one little bit. Not a lot of bit, just a little bit. This chop right now. Ugh. 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 Ooh. All right, I'm out of here. I'm gonna go to Chipotle. Time for Chipotle, baby. Time to go. Got things to do, people to see, places to be. So I will leave you guys with that. Hopefully it I don't know. Hopefully you guys, you can see how they kind of retested, you know, pulled right back into that. Right back into that 80 area again. Right back up here again. We're getting close to the VWAP. We're getting close to the VWAP, 844 VWAP. If we can get above the VWAP, turn it into support, well, then I think it's a pretty easy, you know, get above the VWAP here, do, and then right up there through the highs next, so. It's there. What am I gonna drive to Chipotle? I normally drive my bike. I have a little electric bike. I got an electric off-road machine, but yeah, I might take the, probably not the Lambo. I'll take out the McLaren. I think tonight I'm gonna go out and film another video with the McLaren, so. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream. If you guys can do me actually one favor, if you're still here, do me one favor, right? Just do me one little flavor. I don't ask for much. If you can hit that like button, I would appreciate that. But also, if you're bored today, you want to watch a cool video of my trip to Hawaii, there's a link there in the chat. A little video of me fishing out there in Hawaii. It's live on the fishing channel. If you guys can show some love, give it a like, leave a comment, whatever you want to do. And yeah, baby, we're doing it. I'm actually heading back to Hawaii on Saturday, and we'll be fishing the first week of September. We got a marlin tournament on the island of Akona, Hawaii, Oahu. So yeah, check it out. It's fun. Catching big marlin, baby. Look at me. Oh, I'm so pretty. I'm in the seat. Oh, there's the marlin. Where's he at? He's coming. Big old marlin coming up here. Somewhere. He's coming. There he is. Look at him. Oh, we got him. Yay. Yay. So yeah, if you guys can help me out, enjoy the video, let me know. All right, I'll leave the book map open here for a little bit while I go to lunch, and then I got to turn it off later when I come back to do the podcast. So, all right. I'm just like very mixed right now. I'm very mixed emotions here. The Dow is just like continuing to move down below the lows. The Nasdaq's kind of like chopping around here. So if the Dow starts to push back up, if the Dow shows some strength and pushes back up, well, then you know the Nasdaq's going to be primed and ready for that move there. So we'll see. You know, I think it's a valid idea. It's a valid idea. Just got to be careful. I don't know. Catch and release. If you buy the course and you can't make it for the webinar, don't worry about it. All good. We will have the webinar will be recorded and then posted to the course setup. So there it is. I'm gonna leave the book map. I keep saying that, and I keep saying I'm gonna walk away, and then it does this where it like starts to bounce back up, and I'm like, okay, is it gonna go? Let's go all in 20 contracts right here. It wants to go up so much, doesn't it? Just wants to go up so much here. Look at this, about to break out through those recent highs there, 23, 2075, and then that VWAP right up there at the 40s, so. It's a good time to walk away either way, so. Oh, she wants to squeeze. Oh. Like I said, the Dow right now pushing back up. Dow's pushing straight back up. And there you go, the Nasdaq straight back up here now. Up there to the 30s. Up there to the 30s. So. Look at the Dow right now. The Dow's pushing straight back up, and this is now setting the Nasdaq back up here. So maybe later on today, maybe afternoon, if we get above the VWAP here, kind of consolidate in this 850, 860 level, get through that there. I mean, the overnight high just sitting there now. So I kind of like, I don't want to go Chipotle, but I do want to go Chipotle. Like, this is that moment where I'm like, I kind of want to get I want to walk. I gotta listen to myself, you know? We're up 13,000 on the day right now. I gotta listen to myself. I know, I said I was gonna leave 30 minutes ago. It's terrible. I got a problem. I'm addicted. I'm addicted. Oh, God. All right, I'm gonna walk away. Peace to the Middle East. Love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow for the webinar. It's gonna be a lot of fun. $200 gets you access to the course. $200 gets you into the webinar tomorrow. Today is the last chance. After that, this is the webinar. We're gonna do answer questions, work with the traders, spend 3 hours, hopefully put some trades on, hopefully make more than $200. You know, that's the goal. If we can take a good trade tomorrow, pay for the course, it's like a free course, right? So, Nasdaq continuing to just chop around here. I like the idea of Chipotle now more than ever. So, big thank you guys again for tuning in. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. If not tomorrow, I'll see you Thursday, Friday. We got Fresh Cash Friday. We got Thursday coming up. And then next week, I'll be live from Hawaii. So starting next Monday, be live from the beach in Hawaii. So big thank you, and I will see you guys later on. Oh, God, it wants to go up again. Oh, every time I walk away, it fucking goes up. Oh, God. Oh, why me? Why me? No, I'm walking. I'm getting out of here. I'm over. I don't want it. Oh, God, it wants to go up again. Oh, God, I can't do it.